I always practice until I realize how easy it to make at home. I've always loved chicken egg rolls. They're crispy, savory, and so addictive. Turns out, making them yourself is way simpler than it looks. The wrapper is just eggs and flour. Cook it, fill it with seasoned ground chicken, steam it, then fry until golden. That's it. Crispy outside, juicy inside. Perfect with rice and a little mayo. Sometimes the food you think is complicated is actually the easiest to make. Would you eat chicken egg rolls like this? Comment yes or no below and follow for more simple homemade cooking.